These instructions should work on any Blackberry 10 device that runs Blackberry 10.3.1 or later. I'm going to be using my Blackberry Z10, running Blackberry 10.3.3 on it. I have it installed here on the phone already. I'm just going to run it quickly to prove it works. So the first thing to do is to go to the website that is linked in the description. Scroll down to the download button. And click on it. It should bring you to another page. Scroll down and find the 1.08 APK and 1.08 OBB data files. And just download them both. Now navigate to your down folder and extract the file. In the end, the file should look like this. After it's done extracting, select the OBB folder and navigate over to device, MISC, Android with the capital A, and into OBB. Drop the folder in here. After it's done, just go back to the downloads folder and launch the Grand Theft Auto APK.